Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me again with Mr. Hilal. I'm a physics teacher at SMA Unity School in Bekasi City. In this moment, I will try to give the solution of the UTBK 2021 for the physics subject. Okay, I will read the question. Please pay attention. Sejumlah N mol gas monoatomik diberi kalor sebesar Q sehingga volumenya mengembang menjadi delta V. Jika tekanan mula-mula adalah P dan proses terjadi secara isobarik, maka besar tekanan P adalah bla 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 bla. Okay, recording this question, we just applying about the first formula of thermodynamic. The law is Q is equal delta U plus W. Okay, I will explain one by one about these quantities. Q is heat that absorbed or released by the gases, and then delta U is inner energy of gases, and then W is work by the gases. We will analyze one by one of these quantities. Start from delta U. In the material of kinetic theory of gases, we have learned about the formula of delta U or inner energy of gases for the monoatomic gases. The formula for delta U is equal. Delta U is 3 per 2 point N point to R point to delta T. Okay, I will explain one by one. N is amount of gases, and then R is constanta of gases, and then delta T is the changing of the temperature. Okay, we turn to the question. Okay, regarding the question, there is no data about the changing of temperature, and there is no data about the amount of gases. So, we just change the formula of delta U from the equation. We have learned about the equation in the kinetic theory of gases. The multiplication of pressure and changing of the volume is equal N point to R point to delta T. Because the reason, so we can change the formula of delta U. Delta U is equal 3 per 2 point to P point to delta V. Okay, after we got the solution for the inner energy of gases, so we just insert this value to the first law of thermodynamic. The result of delta U is 3 per 2 point to P point to delta V. Okay, then we continue to analyze of work or weight by the gases. In the material of thermodynamic, we have learned about the formula of work by the gases. The formula of the work by the gases is P point to delta V. Okay, P indicate of the pressure of the gases, and then delta V is the changing of the volume. Okay, after found the solution for the work, so we just insert the value of the work or weight to the first law of thermodynamic. Okay, we continue. Okay, plus P point to delta V. Okay, we try to solve this addition of the formula. 3 per 2 P point to delta V plus, okay, we change P point to delta V to the 2 per 2 P delta V. Okay, so we will get the final solution. 3 per 1 plus 2 per 2 is equal 5. Sorry, 3 per 2 plus 2 per 2 is equal 5 per 2 P point 2 delta V. Okay, rewrite again the Q. Okay, that's all the solution. The conclusion, the value of Q is equal 5 per 2 P point delta V. Because the question is asked about the pressure or P, so we just rearrange again this formula how to find the value of P. Regarding this equation, we arrange again. P is equal 2.2Q divided by the 5.2 delta V. This one, the solution of the pressure. Let's be looking for the answer regarding the option in the question. Okay, we have the same value in the option of D, this one. Okay, so the solution for this question is D. Okay, that's all guys about the solution for this question. Okay, see you later. I will give you the solution for the others question. Okay, see you next later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.